by the Deputy Governor, you would have to draw minutes why it is an emergency, a community concern, etc., etc. But
I think there are some poor people who don't even have a phone. Because if you are then benefiting those who can borrow from Fuliza, maybe you have the price is a bit too high. Why can't you go low for those who do not have access to this? There are very few people who can use the phone to borrow money.
He's really constructing a new city class an emergency. Unless one had collapsed, and there must be evidence that a classroom collapsed so that you can now use emergency funds. But anyway, that's a village of the governor.
Even if it collapses, the emergency will be used to rescue the student,
but not to
the other class.
The purchase of a water pumping unit and a general asset should have been provided for in its budget. This was contrary to Section 4 of the Makueni County Fund Act 2015.
I changed them. And I changed them because, Senator Professor, I had no visual of what they were doing financially. As we speak now, I can open my phone and check the amounts of money they are transacting on my iPad. But it's because of the misreporting of how they are spending their money and expenditure and the recommendations of this committee when I appeared before last year.
Na kuitora inere ya kiwanja ndege Shinyalu kwenye kaunti